All right, so we may have found our next spot. Next adventure's coming up quick. And I think we're gonna be able to check out this. Seems like a pretty open area. There's easy access in, and I think we will go explore for a bit. So we're just gonna peek around, we're gonna see, and what do you guys think? Should we pass on this one?
No.
A lot of conviction there, tons of conviction.
Not a little excited.
Let's go do it?
Yeah.
All right, I think we should go do it. Let's get after it. Here we go.
Turn it up. Let's go.
Wide open, look at that. Just wide open. Get ahead of you guys. Apparently it's a new thing to do a bottle flip, but that one looks like it's full, so try it. Go ahead. All right, thing 2 and thing 3 bottle flip. Put that one. Oh, there we go. Just use that. God. Let's go. What?
Stranger Things.
Yeah. Oh. So we did a full U shape all the way around, right?
There was a letter.
Hold on, let's go back to that stairs. I'll go to the second floor. Alright guys. We're gonna hit up. Let's go. Let's go all the way up. Come on. Hey. Yeah, we gotta find the roof access. Hey, they're not live, you know how I know? Because they're running external other cables for lights. Hey, walk soft, guys. Heel toe. Alright, guys. We need to find roof access. Okay. Okay. That'd be cool. Watch the wires. We're trying to find access. We have about another 5 minutes before we need to bug out. So we need to go back that way. If anything goes south. Okay. Yeah. I wonder if someone comes by once in a while and peeks on it. Yeah, but we'll go to this. Did we go to the other side of this wing? On the other side over there?
I don't think so. I don't know.
Come on, let's go. Where's the stair you saw? The ladder you saw? What? Okay, come here. Here's the plan. We're gonna go up the stairs on the other side, see if there's a roof access on that ladder, and then we're gonna see what we got, and then we're gonna bug out, okay? We did, we went across that way. I know, we're gonna go all the way to the top. We didn't go up this one. Hey, there's no roof access right here, which it looks like there is. That's roof access, isn't it? Go, go. More poop. Looks like coyotes are up in here. Okay, let's stop. Stop, 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 come here. That's the roof. I know, so bright. This is the vent. That's the elevator shaft. Yeah. All right, on the roof. What is that? That's another entrance. Let's go this way. Let's head back out and bug out. Okay, we are done. We're gonna bug out. That was an awesome adventure. We got on all 3 floors, explored everything we needed to explore. If anyone ever watches these videos, like, subscribe, share, comment, give us some suggestions. And yeah, anything to say? Nothing smart. Don't step in puddles. All right, let's get out of here.